The perimeter of a rectangular calculator is 36 centimeters. The length is 4 centimeters greater than the width. Find the width and the length. Remember, the first step in the 5-step process is to familiarize. So we will do that and say that we'll let W equal the width of the calculator in centimeters. If W is the width, then the length, which is 4 more than the width, would be W plus 4. Now the second step is to translate. What we want to translate is the statement that the perimeter is 36 centimeters. So to translate that, the perimeter of a rectangle is twice the length plus twice the width. Twice the length would be 2 times the quantity W plus 4. Plus twice the width would be 2W. Is becomes equals, and the 36 is the length around the perimeter. Now we carry out. That's the third step, carry out the problem. That means to solve for W. To do so, we would have to distribute the 2, which gives us 2W plus 8 plus 2W equals 36. We can combine the 2W's plus the 2W's, and that would give us 4W plus 8 equals 36. If we now subtract 8 from both sides, we have 4W equals 28. Then what we do is divide both sides by 4. If we divide by 4, we see that we get W on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, 28 divided by 4 is 7. So W is equal to 7, and that's the width. And that means that the length is equal to 7 plus 4, or in other words, 11. Now, the fourth step is to check. And so to check this, what we need to do is find out if those two answers, that is the width is 7 and the length is 11, will give us the correct perimeter. Well, the way we do that is we multiply 2 times 11, we multiply 2 times 7, we add them together and see if they're 36. Well, this is 22, that's 14, 22 plus 14 is 36, so it checks. The final step in the 5-step process is to state the answer. So we would write that the length is 11 centimeters and width is 7 centimeters.